Yes, sir.
We've got all the wiring together now. Got most of the trans lines done. Got to do one more, then zip tie everything up. I got to mount the siren box, and we're gonna get to that right now. Had to fight the dash, but it's back in. I could just leave this loom on here and ran it like this, but I'm actually going to disconnect it over there, run it along there, and put it in the same loom as my brake line. So I've got to disconnect it, and since it's kind of hard to see or remember what spade connector goes to what spade connector, so if it's 3 of them, I just take a picture because that last one's different, so I put 1 dot and 2 dot and then just leave the other one, and then just focus, take a picture, and then oh, good thing I did check it. Maybe that's why the rear winch doesn't work that great. Why it's had connection problems. Well, that explains it. Then that one goes to there. So I'll take another picture. Always good to check it. So the black one didn't have anything. So, alright, I'm gonna get back to work.
self-respect. I'm now the jaws hanging around my own neck. I'm a hard one to handle. I play the fool, and I'm so hard to love, 'cause I break all the rules. These things that I do,
What's going on? What's going on, guys? So The wiring's almost done. I still have to tidy up a few things and add a couple of grounds for lights, but let's see if this thing will turn on. So, lights. Lights back there. Lights back there. Those are my rock lights. Computer. So that works. Trans fan. Oh, that's why this don't work. I didn't do the grounds up here yet. So everything seems like it's wired right, so I can start tidying everything up. Should start cranks, so that's good. Winches, those don't work. Why is that? Got to figure out that, but I have a few more grounds to do, and hopefully I'll start it here today or tomorrow. And then it's rear steer.